Now I would like to explain you what is the meaning of symmetric matrix. If a matrix is transposed and the transposed matrix so obtained, if it is same as it was original, then the matrix is known as the symmetric matrix, or you can write that if A transpose is equals to A, that's meaning if a square matrix is transposed, we again get the same matrix, then we say that is a symmetric matrix. There is a technique of writing a matrix which should be the symmetric. Very first thing you must know that it should be a square matrix, because if you take the rectangular matrix, then the new matrix so obtained will not be same. Here I want to explain you what is the procedure of writing any matrix which is symmetric. Suppose I have written here 5, here it is -8, and suppose it is 12. I want to write a matrix which is symmetric of order 3 by 3. So first row I have written 5 -8 12. I must write the first column 5 -8 and 12 same. Now I want to write the second row -8, suppose 6, suppose here 10. So -8 6 10, it means that I must write here -8 6 10, and this element, the last one, we can opt any. Suppose it is 7, there is no harm in taking any element. It's a matrix of order 3 by 3. The technique was, what row first we have written, same we have taken in the first column. In front of 5 it was -8, down to 5 we have to take -8, then the next to -8 is 12, down to -8 is 12, -8, then it is 6, then immediately 10. So in front of 6 it is 10, so below to 6 is 10, and we are free to choice take any element on the principal diagonal. If A is the matrix written with this kind of specification, then I want to tell you why it is symmetric. I am going to make its transpose. You will get 5 -8 12 as the first column, because doing transpose means writing first row as first column, second row as second column, third row as third column. Second row is -8 6 10, this become -8, then 6, and then 10. This is third row 12 10 7, third column will be 12 10 7. What we are obtaining here, the transposed matrix and original matrix, these two are same. So here what we are getting, A transpose and A are equal. So we say yes, this is a symmetric matrix.